So thank you very much for the opportunity today. I'm very glad that we share the best practice from Japan. So before going to the content, let me introduce our company. So our company name is Toyota Adria. So our goal of the company is the social contribution. So why we are doing this? No? So we are trying to commit people's happiness. This is our goal for the company. And also mobility for all. Mobility for all means not only able people, but the disabled people, young and elderly. We want to provide any kind of mobility to any kind of people. So let's go back to the topic. So best practice from Japan. Japan is not different from Slovenia. As you can see the figures, it's very, very high number of the drink. However, we dropped the number of the accident by the drink and drive, also death from drink and drive significantly. So we dropped to 80% after 20 years. So this is the reason why I try to present to you what we did. No? So majority of the time that the society reacted, a lot of people died. No? The children or adults who are the parents died, and then society increased the voice. And then media, broadcasted heavily who did this kind of accident and why. And this changed the society. And then I call this 360-degree strategy or 360-degree actions. No? So first of all, law has been changed. Much tougher penalty if you do the drink and drive. This is made changed in 20 years ago. And the enforcement. So even if you have a law, if there is no check, it doesn't make sense. Nobody follow. That's why police also started to do the checkpoints. So in Japan, every week, different location, police stop the vehicle and check the alcohol level. No? And also police go around the bars and the restaurant to educate the bar and the restaurant people, and then ask them promote not to drink, to do that drink and drive. Ne? So educational activities also. And also society, so media again, continuously promote and no drink and drive, and also that whenever we have an accident, they broadcast it heavily. Ne? So public voice is very, very high. And also we started to provide a taxi service. I will explain to you later. So you can see that in a penalty, it's very, very high. So if you are completely drunk, you will get 8,300 euro as a fine. This is very, very high as a driver. But not only drivers, no? The person who give the vehicle to the person who drive and then drink and drive also get a penalty, 8,300 euro. So for example, your father or mother give you the vehicle, and these parents knows that you do the drink and drive. Then these parents also get a fine. And not only that, the passenger who were with you, who do the drink and drive in the car, so like a passenger or rear seat, these people also get a fine. And also the bars and the restaurant, which give the drink to the person who did the drink and drive, also get the penalty. So not only drivers, but also who gave the car to the person, also ride the vehicle together, and also the person who give the alcohol will get a fine. So this is very, very high fine, so people start afraid. This is one. And the enforcement, as you can see, the police checkpoint, breath test. This is a lot of time they do. And also publicity, so there's a poster, so the yellow poster says, who is handle keeper today? So we recommend, one of the person in the party drive for all of them. And also effect of the alcohol. So also police visit the restaurant bars and then try to ask them for the cooperation. The bars and restaurants also promote, please do not do the drink and drive. If you take a taxi, I will give the discount. So this poster says. We are promoting the non-drink and drive, and then we will check the, how did you come to the restaurant, and only we offer the alcohol for the person who will not drive. And also company. So this is this is an instruction from my head office. It says traffic safety, acceleration months. So for example, if I do the drink and drive and had an accident, I can be fired. This is our regulation in our company. So I never do this. I do not want to lose my job. This will affect my family. So I will never do that drink and drive. This is my commitment. And taxi service, as I mentioned, starting from 2002, so 2 professional drivers pick up the customer, and 1 drive customer's car, and another drive the taxi. So, but the cost is not the two times, just 1.2 or 1.3 times. So this is also very effective. Another challenge. So we just have a letter of intent to the city of Kochebe, try to start the on-demand bus service. This is not only transportation in a rural area, but also evening events as a focus 3, as you can see. The reason why is that whenever they have some party, this on-demand bus project can transport the food, drink, and we try to promote, we try to contribute, and that people do not do the no drink or drive. So this is our project. As youngsters, my message to you is that please speak up. This is very, very necessary. Like Miss Greta from Sweden did for the climate change. This is very, 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 very effective. We are accustomed, adults are very much accustomed to the current environment. But if you don't see this is not good, please speak up. You are the person who create the society from now on, not us, you. So I recommend that please discuss within your team and what kind of future, what kind of society you want. And then you can, speak up and then try to change. Adults will listen to you, as you can see, as Miss Greta. So let's change the society in a positive way. And let's try to make a society fair and then, inclusive society for any kind of human being to be happy. So thank you very much.